how to sell puts on Robinhood. Now, to sell puts on Robinhood, first of all, open up the Robinhood application and simply navigate to the options trading section. So you can come to your investing tab and then go to the options trading section. Once you're there, select the stock you want to sell a put on. Choose the desired strike price and expiration date, then select sell to place a put option order. Remember basically that when selling a put, you are obligated to buy the underlying stock at the strike price if the option is exercised. So you must have enough cash in your account to cover this potential purchase. And this way you should be able to sell puts on Robinhood. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.